Yes, now come to the topic food preservation. Little about I've told you in previous video and rest of the topic I'll explain in this video. Okay, in this part 2. So, food preservation. We know that when cooked food or milk it is left in a warm and moist place for a long time, it gets spoiled. Food gets spoiled due to microbial contamination. Most organisms cannot grow or multiply when the conditions are dry, temperature is very low, and temperature is very high. Okay? All methods of food preservation ensure that favorable conditions are not provided for microorganisms to grow and multiply. Okay? So, what is the definition of food preservation or what is food preservation? The process by which spoilage of food is prevented by using chemical or physical methods is called food preservation. Now come to the topic methods used for food preservation. First method is chemical method. See this picture. This is the chemical. Okay. What is chemical method? Food can be preserved by using food preservatives. Food preservatives are the chemical substances which can check the growth of microorganisms. Most chemical preservatives prevent microbial growth by removing oxygen from the food items. Okay, like this sodium benzoate, potassium metabisulfite, citric acid, they are the common food preservatives. Sodium benzoate is used for preserving fruit juices and squashes. Potassium metabisulfite is used for preserving cut fruits, jams, jellies, etc. Citric acid is used as a preservative in confectionaries. Okay? Now, what are the other methods? Other methods are preservation by common salt. Okay? For ages, people have preserved fish and meat by salting. Meat and fish are covered with common salt to prevent the growth of microbes. Okay? Meat and fish, they are covered with common salt. Okay? Salting draws out water, that is moisture, from the food and it prevents the microbial growth. So, salting is also used to preserve amla, raw mangoes, tamarind, etc. Okay? Preservation by sugar, jams, jellies, squashes are preserved for long time because of the presence of sugar in them. Sugar inhibits the growth of food spoiling microorganisms by reducing the moisture content of the food. Preservation by oil and vinegar. Oil and vinegar prevent the growth of food spoiling microorganisms. Mustard oil, vinegar are widely used as preservatives for fruits, vegetables in the form of pickles. See this picture? Even your mom kept your pickles and dipped your pickles in the vinegar, in the oil. Okay? Ask your mom, she will tell you. Okay? Meat and fish are also preserved by this method. Now come to the next method. Pasteurization. Okay? Pasteurization. Pasteurization. What is pasteurization? It is a process for the preservation of milk. The milk which comes in the packet, okay, that milk is pasteurized milk. What happens? What is pasteurization? How it occurs? In this method, milk is heated at about 70 degrees Celsius for 15 to 30 seconds. Okay, heating section, see this picture. They are showing some small introduction of pasteurization. Okay, so what happens? Milk is heated at about 70 degrees Celsius for 15 to 30 seconds to kill the bacteria present in it, and cooled quickly to 10 degrees Celsius to prevent the remaining bacteria from growing. Okay, means temperature exchange, suddenly heating and suddenly cooling. The milk is then stored in sterilized bottle pouches in cold places. Then those milks can be consumed without boiling because it is free from harmful microorganisms. This method of pasteurization was invented by Louis Pasteur in 1862. Okay? Now another method, by cooling or freezing fruits, vegetables, meat and cooked food, they are kept at low temperature in the refrigerator or deep freezers to prevent them from spoiling. Low temperature prevents the spoilage of food by inhibiting the growth of microorganisms. Okay? Now another method is what? By dehydration. Moisture is one of the main requirement for microbial growth. Okay, so removal of water from food materials is the best method of food preservation. The process of removal of water from a substance is called dehydration. See in this picture, sun drying is a traditional method for preserving food. Wheat, rice, pulses, they are cleaned and dried in sunlight. Like I've told you in crop production in 7th step, storage, before storing, they dried under the sun. They have hot blowing plants. Okay, so to remove the moisture content. So moisture is one of the main requirements for the microbial growth. So we have to remove that. So vegetables like cauliflower, spinach and methi, they are also preserved in this manner for a long time. Okay, so this is about the food spoiling, food preservation, methods of food preservation, and rest of the topics we will discuss in detail in tomorrow's class. Okay, so go through this video, listen it carefully, then we will discuss tomorrow. Okay, thank you class, good night.